Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you a messaging web app which is absolutely create on Google Sheet and Google Appscript. So I am going to show you the demo first, then we will discuss step by step how it's working. So from here, this is the username, this is user 1, this is user 1 and this is user 2. I am going to send message from here, can we meet? क्या हम मिल सकते हैं? Can we meet? So you will see the message comes here. So from here I can reply to the user one. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can meet. And when I am going to send, you can see the answer is also here. So this is our messaging web app. So let's take a look how it's work. First of all, you click, I am going to click on the login and I explain every step of functions which I used and implement in this web app. So when I am going to refresh this web app as a fresh look, so you can see in our sheet, the login sheet. In the login sheet, the A column is preferred, A column is set for the usernames and the B column is set for the password. So here I am just going to create a new account like Avas and I am giving him a password RA1234, and when I click on this sign up, you can see a pop-up message, sign up successful. So you can see here the data is come here for the login. So now I am going to log in. When I am going to click on the login, I am now logged in as the Avas. I am now logged in as this user. So here you can see the other three contents, which is this. We can filters also. If I want to search a contact, if they have a lot of contacts, 100, 200, 500, and I want to search the contact from where I want to connect. Example, I want to collect this contact. This contact is not exist. I want to connect with Ramesh 2. So this is the Ramesh 2. I can directly enter the username of other person on which person I want to connect to chat. I can directly enter the username here and click on the connect button. When you are click on the contact button, it will connect you the other persons which you want to talk. So now you are connected with the Ramesh 2 and you can directly chat with Ramesh 2. So I am just sending a message, hi Ramesh, and here I am going to show you the live demo from here. One thing I will forget, that when you log in one time, for the next 3 hours you are not asked to log in again. After the 3 hours you will log in again. You want to log in again to continue using this web app. Here's I set a time for 3 hours for login. For 3 hours you can use your web app easily. So here I am going to log in as Ramesh 2 because I am connected with Ramesh 2. So I just click on the login and now I just click on the login. Actually this user is Avas. This user is Avas and this user is Ramesh 2. So I want to click with Avas. So when I am going to click with Avas, you can see Avas is sending me 2 messages. And on the meantime, if I want to connect other persons like the Ramesh, and you can see here only hi message because last time they sent me hi message. How it's possible? So you can see here the Ramesh sent to the hi message. Ramesh, this is Ramesh 2. This is Ramesh, this web app is Ramesh 2 and you can see Ramesh send message to Ramesh 2 and it's currently connected to Ramesh. Ramesh send message to Ramesh 2 hi on this time. You can see the time also here. Okay, so here you can see right now I am connected with the Avas. So you will see I am successfully connected with the Avas and hi, nice to meet you. And when I send this message, the Avas will see my message on this screen. I use 2 type of colors, the green colors for the sender and the gray colors for the receiver. And I also use the date, to identify on which date, on which time we send messages to each other, to maintain our history. So in our Google Sheet, you can see here, our history is saved and only the person. You can see we filters the data here to show the messages to other person. So how we can set up it? When you receive this link, you just see this type of interference in your end. You just click on make a copy. When you click on make a copy, and you will see the Google Sheet in front of you like this. So here I also said that the logout button is used for the logout functionality, and if you don't log out your account and just refresh your web app, we will not ask to you again login for next 3 hours. You are logged in now as for 3 hours. After the 3 hours, we will ask you again to log into your account until we don't need any login info again for 3 hours. So when you see this type of Google Sheet in front of you, you just need to click on extensions and click on the Appscript. And when you click on the Appscript, you will see this type of interface. You just click on the deploy button. When you click on the new deployment, you will see here, and you will select the anyone here and click on the deploy. And when you click on the deploy, it will ask your permissions. Okay, in our further video we will enhance the notification systems, everything in our next videos. So when you guaranteed the permissions to it, you click on the advanced icon, go to untitled project unsafe and click on the allow. When you click on the allow button, you will see a link here which is directly used to access your web app. So now using this link, you can access your web app easily. So you can log in here, Ramis, and you just log in here, Ramis. And when you click on the login, you can see your screen and dashboard, and you can see it's working. So in next video, we are giving some forms for submitting data to Google Sheet. Okay. So okay, sir. Have a nice day. Take care. Please comment your country and your experience about this video, and tell me that we will continue to create videos in English language or in Hindi language. So you will tell me. Okay. So take care. Allah Hafiz.